Hi, I'm Michael Quillen, attorney at Anderson Law. A lot of my clients wonder how their medical bills will be paid when they've been injured. The answer to that question depends on a couple things. Were you working at the time of the injury? And did you have insurance at the time of your injury? If you're working, then your workers' compensation insurance should pay for all of your treatment. If you weren't working at the time of the injury, then your insurance might be provided by a health insurance or even your car insurance. In the state of Washington, car insurance policies can have something called Personal Injury Protection Benefits, or PIP benefits. PIP benefits is a no-fault insurance. And what that means is that your car insurance will pay for your medical treatment even if you caused the crash. If you don't have PIP insurance, then we'd have to look at your health insurance. And your health insurance would be just like you normally go see a doctor for an annual checkup or anything where you weren't injured. And the health insurance is there to provide coverage for you. If you don't have PIP insurance, if you're not working and you don't have health insurance, then we may have to ask the provider to treat you on what's called a lien. And what that means is it's simply a promise to pay back the provider at a later date. And there are some disadvantages and advantages to all these scenarios. A lot of times people ask me, well, which insurance needs to pay? If you're not working at the time of the crash or injury, it's best to have your PIP pay if you have it. And the reason is that unlike health insurance, with PIP there's no copay, there's no deductible, there's no out-of-pocket expenses. If you don't have PIP, then we have to go through those processes, and sometimes those bills can be high if you're just using your health insurance. If you have questions about this, give us a call at Anderson Law and we can help you out.